15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Surprisingly difficult travel English. I have a reservation. That can sound incomplete. What should I say at a hotel? I booked a room. I booked a room. Check please. That is short but acceptable. What sounds more natural? Could I have the check? Could I have the check? Where is the bathroom? The meaning changes by country. What should I say in public? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Water please. That sounds a little abrupt. How do you say it politely? Could I get some water? Could I get some water? This is my carry-on. That may sound unclear. What do airport staff usually say? This is my carry-on bag. This is my carry-on bag. Where is the ticket gate? English uses another expression. What do people say at stations? Where is the ticket barrier? Where is the ticket barrier? Is there an outlet? The word changes by region. What do British people say? It is a power socket. It is a power socket. Please give me a receipt. Some countries use another word. What do British people say? It is a receipt. It is a receipt. Cash only. The meaning is correct. What sounds more natural on signs? We accept cash only. We accept cash only. I want sightseeing. That sounds unnatural. What is a natural expression? I want to go sightseeing. I want to go sightseeing. I will buy a souvenir. That sounds a little formal. What sounds casual in conversation? I will buy a little gift. I will buy a little gift. I have a transfer. Expressions vary by region. What do people often say on trains? I need to change trains. I need to change trains. The flight is delayed. The grammar is incorrect. What is the correct expression? The flight is delayed. The flight is delayed. Menu please. People understand it but it is short. How do you say it politely? Could I see the menu? Could I see the menu? Do you have a recommendation? That sounds slightly unnatural. What sounds natural at restaurants? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? We accept cash only. We accept cash only. I want to go sightseeing. I want to go sightseeing. I will buy a little gift. I will buy a little gift. I need to change trains. I need to change trains. The flight is delayed. The flight is delayed. Could I see the menu? Could I see the menu? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.